So to replace a headlamp on the GMC Acadia, apparently you have to get at it underneath and from the wheel well. So the first thing you need to do is take your wheel and turn it away from the headlamp that you're wanting to replace. In my case, I'm replacing the passenger side, so I turn my wheels to the left. Then there appears to be 1, 2, 3, 4 T20 bolts that I have to remove in order to be able to peel back the wheel well liner. Once you have that removed, pull back your wheel liner, and then looking up top, there is this cap. Unscrew, remove, and inside that area is your lamp. Rotate it quarter turn counterclockwise. And your lamp comes out. Replacing with a 912 Silver Star headlamp I got from the local auto parts store, and these things are pricey. So removing the old lamp, you can pull back on this clip, lift it up in order to allow straight pullback removal of the old headlamp. As always with halogen headlamps, you don't want to touch the actual glass. Oils can cause shortened lifespan on your lamp, so be careful when removing it from the packaging as well as when replacing it into your assembly.
And there you have it. Now when I was replacing the headlamp, I started with the orientation for the headlamp holder pointing towards the driver's seat and rotated it clockwise until it secured and screwed into position. When it finished, the base clip attachment for the lamp holder was pointing more towards the passenger side. Good luck.